Okay, dear students, in our present presentation, we will continue our discussion with research methodology, how to write the research paper that we have seen. Now, what is the meaning of scientific paper that we will study in this present work, in present time? Acceptable original scientific publication contains scientific information, and the scientific paper must be written in a certain way, and it must be published in certain way as defined by 3 centuries of developing tradition, editorial practice, scientific ethics, and the interplay of printing and publishing procedures. A particular kind of document contains certain specified kinds of information. A scientific paper demands exactly the same qualities of thought as are needed for the rest of science: logic, clarity, and precision. A scientific article presents research results and is written by researchers and aimed at an academic readership. The article must have been reviewed by experts within the same subject, and it should be published, and it is accepted, or it should be acceptable as the contents which are required for the publication are fulfilled. Then the scientific paper uh, should be enabled by the peers to access the observations, to repeat experiments, and to evaluate intellectual processes, so that the paper is in a good format. Moreover, it must be susceptible to sensory perception, essentially permanent, available to the scientific community without restriction, and available for regular screening by one or more of the major recognized secondary services. A scientific paper is first the first publication of original research result. It should not be duplicated, or it should not be copied out from anybody else. Then, in a form whereby peers of the author can report the experiment and test the conclusions. So, conclusion what you have drawn either is correct or not, that is verified by the worker in a journal or other source document which is readily available within the scientific community. So, therefore, the work should be proper, complete, and original. 5.5. Write a letter to the after completion of your research article, the paper or manuscript or book is ready for publication. So before publication, you must have to write a letter to the journal or to the publisher regarding the publication of your paper or manuscript or article, whatever it may be. You are the most common elements you must include. What information you should not include is as under. So essential information: editor's name, name of the journal, your manuscript title, article title, submission date, brief, brief background, and brief overview of the methodology. Then, principal findings and significance of the work, corresponding author contact information. Then, it is important to note that the statement that your paper has not been previously published and this is your original work. Then, other information commonly requested. This is not generally reported or given to the author, given to the publisher, but commonly requested. Short list of similar article previously published by the journal. Then list of relevant work by you or your co-authors. Then mention any prior discussion with editor or any other authors. Then technical specialties required to evaluate your paper. Potential reviewers and their contact information. And if needed, reviewers to exclude other disclosures or statements required by journal. So in this way, these information what needed are to be given or not given or to be requested. So what you should not to do, don't use too much jargon or include too many acronyms. So don't use too many jargons, don't over embellish your findings. It should be significant, and it should be uh, clear and short. So don't name drop. List the people who might endorse your paper and discussing authors. So you must focus solely on addressing that particular point. So don't write a novel. While you want to do adequately explain your work, avoid humor. As much as we want to grab the editor's attention, there are too many ways in which humor can go wrong. Therefore, you should concise your work writing, and it should be in a proper and clear format. Then, annotated template of journal submissions cover letters. Always use formal language in cover letter. Since most submissions are delivered electronically, the templates below is in the modified email format, and then you can send it by email or by post also. Then, before sending a letter to the publisher, you should write to the editor or publisher, journal's editor's first and last name, then title, then journal name, then journal address, then date of submission, then your first sentence, write to the publisher, dear Dr. Mr. whatever it may be. Then, what should be the matter? Where the editor's name is not known, use the relevant title employed by the journal. Dear Managing Editor, or Dear Director, or Dear Publisher, whatever the proper word is there that you use. Then, second, you use Mr., Mrs., whatever as per the names given to the. Then, include second para, you use two or three sentences, and give many of them are formal, respect to the editor. Then, the useful phrases to discuss our findings and conclusions, that include our findings, then determinations, then results, then whatever the illustrations you have, everything should be given there. Then your findings, your clarifications, your collaborations, your establishments, everything should be given in 2 to 5 lines. Then identify the journal's typical audience and how those, म्हणजे जर्नलमध्ये आपण पेपर जो पब्लिश करतो आहे तो कोण कोण वाचणार आहे, तर जर्नलची लेवल काय आहे, तर जर्नलचे स्टँडर्ड काय आहे, त्यानुसार मग माहिती लिहायची. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ मेनी ऑफ युअर टार्गेट जर्नल रीडर्स आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द पब्लिक पॉलिसी, then your research studies must be discussed with your conclusions and the output or the addition or the advantage of your work. Then include the context about why this research question had to be addressed. Then if your paper was prompted by your prior research, state this. For example, after initiality researching XY approached us to conduct a follow study that examined Z. So this should be clearly mentioned why and what. Then in paragraph number 3, you should mention the similar study published by your target journal, and your journal is how it is good, why we will be benefited by publishing the article in your journal. Everything should be mentioned properly as the title, author, article, etc. In the next paragraph, you should maintain or share your information, what and how you have carried out the work, and about yourself. Then in next para, the potential reviewers, include 3 to 5 lines of the reviewers. It is since likely that the journal will use at least one of your suggestions. And whichever the term, reviewers or referees, your target journal uses, paying close attention to a journal's terminology is a sign that you have properly researched the journal and have prepared. Finally, you write your sincerely, put your name and signature, and then send it to the publisher. So publisher will examine your everything, whatever the work you have carried out, whatever the publisher wish to publish in his journal or his book. Then he will send your copy to the expert if they have in their team or journal, and then they will keep it ready for publication and will inform you that we are publishing. Then I am writing to submit our manuscript entitled X mark the spot for consideration as an answer. So this is the data. Sample letter is given for your information, how the research article published. Before publishing, how to convince to your publisher that my work is good, your journal is also good, and your journal have good audiences, and my work will be useful to the audience, and likewise information you can convey to the publisher in the form of your letter, and then he will inform you about the publishing the journal in the journal. uh, then at the end of journal you should write your names, details, then your manuscript, significance of your work, etc. must be given. Then you should write corresponding authors, then institutional title, where you are carrying your work, your details should be given, telephone number, phone number or fax number, etc. And at last, quick checklist before submitting your cover letter. So you, now your paper is ready for publishing to the journal. Now before before submitting the writing a cover letter, you should set the font to article, font to Arial or Times New Roman, size 12 point, single space, then use one line space, then do not indent paragraph, keep all text justified. These are the formats or the systems that you have to follow for the, or this is the protocol to publish the paper, to prepare the paper for publishing in the journal. So this is the basic guideline, and here your chapter is going to complete. Multiple choice questions are given here. You have to follow all the multiple choice questions. Answers are given in a bold format or bold letters. For example, dash dash explains the scientist's motivation for carrying out an experiment, the experimental design, the result obtained, and the meaning, interpretation, and significance of the results. So here you should write the research report, because research report explains all the scientific motivation and everything. And abstract is a summary of the information. An abstract is a summary of the information in a research article. Here both are given in bold. So abstract is also suitable and research report is also suitable. A few words used in the article, about 3 to 4, which will be useful for indexing services. So key are given as keywords. So at the end of abstract we have to give keywords, and likewise you have to follow these to answer. Now next chapter will be studied in the next lecture, unit number 6. So we will consider